Hey guys, Derek here at the EZ LYNK. Today we've had a couple questions on the Skidoo. We've got people who own fleet companies for rentals, and then just the everyday rider who's got 1, 2, or even 3 sleds. So today we're going to talk about how you can add keys and have multiple keys for these sleds. Super helpful and handy for those fleet owners who are doing the rentals. Just have one key. We are working on the Gen 5 to have multiple keys right now, but on the Gen 4 that is possible. And then with the MXZ on the Neos, they do have the different type of key, but it's still possible there. So we're going to show you what that looks like, how it works. We're using the Gen 5 today. We've got the Auto Agent 3. You're going to need the Auto Agent 3 BRP cable, a BRP power up adapter, and then just a power source. And we've got obviously our mobile phone that we'll use the Auto Agent app to show what it looks like. So we're going to connect to the diagnostic port and get everything fired up, show you what it looks like. All right, so we've got our power up adapter, we've got our vehicle diagnostic port. We're going to go ahead and connect it into there. And then we've got our Auto Agent 3 BRP cable that we will plug in here. And then we've got our Auto Agent 3, plug that guy in. And then we have our battery source here, and you will connect the red and the black to the red and the black. So at that point, the vehicle the ECM will be powered on without the sled running, which is great for being indoors, you know, obviously having fumes. And then we're going to go over and do the Auto Agent app here. So we are connecting with Apple and iOS. You connect with Wi-Fi. With a Android, you can connect with a USB-C right to your phone, so you have a direct connection. But we're going to connect with Wi-Fi because we have an Apple. So we are connected. We're going to go over here to the Auto Agent app, and then from here we're going to go under other vehicles, and you can see we've got our Gen 5, our Neo, and our 850 Summit here. So we are with the free ride, and then you can go under vehicle functions, and here's all the vehicle functions that we have for this vehicle. So with reading a key to erasing the key, adding a new key, same thing with the Gen 4 and the Neos. It's just a simple process. We've showed you in another video that we'll link, but having the ability to utilize the Auto Agent for rental companies, fleets, or just, you know, his and her sleds to have the one key, it's a great feature to have and one more way to utilize the Auto Agent 3. So stay tuned for more, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.